Good day, everyone. Learn how to resize any image in Windows 11 absolutely free without installing any software. So I'll go to my image location and just do a right click on that. Let's say this is the image and I want to resize it. So just do a right click and open with Photos. Okay. Now click on the three dots and then you will find Resize Image. Now, if you want to change the width and height, you can change it from here. And if you want the size, the MB size, then go to the percentage. Let's say if you want under 1 MB, then make it 90% like this. You can see it is 1 MB. Now I'll make it 85%. Now it's 957 KB, which is under 1 MB. So I just have given you the scenario. This is how you can resize the image and also decrease the size as well. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. You need to save as well.